in the area as we see the list to sold ratio dip and days on the market rising. It's Friday, September 23rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the market is doing locally, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. The homes for sale under $1 million rose this past week, which is good news for buyers seeking affordability. The bad news is that inventory is still very limited. Homes for sale fell to 124 homes for sale in all of Annapolis. These have been on the market for 49 median days, and 48% of these have made pricing adjustments. Let's review what the inventory did this past week. 14 homes are coming soon. 19 homes came to the market since last week, rising this past week a smidge. 17 homes went under contract, which is a slight rise from last week. 20 homes are temporarily off, which rose again this week. 13 homes went pending, rising only by one. 33 homes sold, rising only by one there as well. These sold in 17 days and falling to 98.3% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Cherrystone Hill for $3,020,000. Rental inventory fell again this week to 26 homes for lease, but at a higher amount of $3,200 per month, and these have been offered for 13 days thus far. Thinking about moving, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to get the expertise and all the information that you need to make the best decision for you. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 23rd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind to one another.